जज्बात में बह जाते
कुछ नहीं होता।
मैं तेरा राजा तू मेरी रानी है बेबी सुरक्षा ही सावधानी है
One simple act can condemn a girl's moral character for life: buying a pack of condoms. But why can't women openly buy contraceptives?
तुम शर्म नहीं आती? तुम लड़कियों के कॉन्डम खरीदने जाओगी?
लड़कियों को अपना खुद का भी ख्याल रखना पड़ता है।
There's many ways that society makes it difficult for us to make empowered choices about our birth control. लेकिन क्यों? Mentions of contraceptives in medical texts from ancient and medieval India include magic talismans, herbs, mantras, and even fumigation of the genital tracts. And while most of the recorded methods of birth control were intended for women's use, it is not clear whether women themselves were in control. In modern Indian history, birth control is much more a story of elites trying to manage the country's fertility rather than empowering women to manage their own fertility. Some of the earliest advocates for birth control in modern India were male reformers who took a top-down approach to educating women about contraception, considering irresponsible breeding as a reason for India's poverty. Even women nationalists echoed elite male sentiments, arguing that contraception was essential to control unfit sections of India's population. Post-independence, the sterilization programs of the 1970s further reinforced this mindset. And today, studies show that even though India's family planning program has made married women more aware of contraception, it has not empowered them to make informed decisions about their birth control. Frequently, it is husbands who are usually ill-informed and often resentful of birth control who end up making these decisions. In fact, according to the 2016 National Family Health Survey, around 20% men believe that using contraception could make women promiscuous. Unfortunately, this stigma around birth control, which stems from the stigma around women having sex for pleasure, is strong, irrespective of whether they're married or not. The idea that a woman could be looking for a way to have sex without getting pregnant, just for fun, is still something most Indians look down upon as asanskari.
तो के साथ किए हो ढोली दी शादी नहीं की धंधा करने के लिए चाचा चाची को पता चलेगा तो
But here's the thing. If sex does result in unintended pregnancy, it is women who face the stress, expense, and physical toll of abortion or the prospect of being single mothers, and the enormous social backlash that comes with both of those outcomes. Moreover, research has shown that when women are empowered to make their own birth control choices, it leads to more equitable marriages, an increase in women's contribution to the labor force, and a world where women are as educated, as financially stable, and as valued as men. Some Indian women are trying to erase the stigma around birth control. Influencers are talking openly about sexual pleasure and contraception, and networks of women are sharing names of progressive gynecologists who provide non-judgmental care irrespective of their patient's sexual orientation or marital status. Only when we shrug off the shame and the secrecy that goes with talking about and taking birth control will women have the agency to make empowered decisions about their own bodies. That's it for this week's video in the Overthinking It series. If you like overthinking with us, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you stay updated.